Plastic Color Coil binding is one of GBC's most impressive lay-flat binding solutions. Color Coil balances form with function, creating neat professional documents that endure the demands of everyday use. Documents lie completely flat when opened. Pages are easily accessible and tightly secured, perfect for documents used frequently. The bright plastic coil threads through documents up to an inch thick for secure fastening. Pages conveniently wrap all the way around the spine. Best of all, Color Coil holds its shape, bouncing back when compressed. In order to produce attractive Color Coil documents, you need a versatile production system from GBC. One that's flexible enough to allow one person to punch while another is binding at a different station. One that binds documents from 5 sheets to 250 sheets thick and from 5 inches to 12 inches long. Now there's a system that meets all those needs and more. The CC2700 from GBC. The electric CC2700 is the perfect system for you, and it all starts with the modular concept. The CC2700 was designed to mate with one of GBC's modular punches. When stacked on a modular punch, the two stations take up less counter space and appear to be a single system. For those crunch times when the job is too much for one person to complete, simply separate the CC2700 from the punch station so one user can punch and the other can bind for greater productivity. The modular CC2700 allows you to maximize your productivity by customizing your workstation to fit the job and save space. The CC2700 is so easy to use that anyone can quickly become an expert at color coil binding. First, place your punched document and covers in the spine former. Next, start the plastic color coil in the first few punched holes. Then, grasp the book with both hands and lightly position the coil element against the rollers. The coil will spin quickly through the document. Next, remove the hand crimpers from the pocket on the side of the system. Lay the document down so the coil element faces towards you. Place the open crimpers in your right hand with the red dot facing up at the bottom of the first loop and squeeze. To crimp the other end, flip the book over so the front cover is facing down and repeat the process. It's this easy to bind color coil documents of all sizes. The CC2700 offers two important features over competitive systems which contribute to its overall productivity. First, the CC2700 is equipped with 2 rollers rather than 1. 2 long continuous rollers offer greater control and faster coil insertion. Other systems drive coil with a single, much thinner roller, resulting in less control and reduced insertion speed. Second, the CC2700 features a spine former. Once the document is punched, place it in the spine former and jog the paper. The curve of the former matches the curve that the paper needs to form as the coil is inserted. By preforming the paper to this curve, coil inserting is dramatically simpler, particularly for the larger documents where the curve of the paper is greatest. Finally, the CC2700 is made to fit perfectly with GBC's new modular punches. The horizontal design of the new modular punches provides a level surface to place the CC2700 on. This means that one operator can use both the punch and the bind stations efficiently, saving on counter space. When rush binding jobs occur, you can separate the punch and bind systems. One person can punch while the second person can bind, using the CC2700. Separate punch and bind stations mean twice the productivity. The CC2700 offers a number of adjustment points for fine-tuning the inserter's operation. The rollers adjust to 3 different positions to allow for maximum roller contact for all coil sizes. Position number 1 is for the smallest coils, 5 millimeters to 13 millimeters. The second position is for coils 14 millimeters to 22 millimeters, and the third position is for coils 25 millimeters and larger. Once you've adjusted the rollers for your particular job, inserting the coil takes place in seconds. GBC knows that you expect your production equipment to be rugged and durable. That's why the CC2700 is constructed entirely of metal with ultra-tough steel forgings and castings used throughout the system. This heavy-duty construction results in unbeatable durability and long life. Greater durability means fewer breakdowns and significantly improved reliability. In the unlikely event that a problem does occur, you can count on GBC's global network of highly trained technicians and our industry-leading factory exchange program to get your machine back up and running quickly. This means that you can depend on the CC2700 even during crunch times when you can't afford downtime and work stoppages. GBC cares about the safety of you and your employees. That's why the CC2700 was designed to ensure operator safety. The rollers have enough power to insert coil, but can be stopped with very little effort. GBC's commitment to your safety has led us to obtain safety agency approval for the CC2700. You can rest easy knowing that the CC2700 fully complies with UL and Canadian standard requirements as certified by CSA. The international version of the CC2700 has full safety licensing from TUV Product Service and carries the CE mark as well.
Hello, I'm Mark Sarich from William Blair & Company. My responsibilities here at William Blair include purchasing office products and office equipment. We've been testing this new coil binding equipment for GBC, and there's some really nice features that I'd like to talk about. This new spine former that was designed by GBC was very simple to use. Well, if you pick your booklet up, you jog it on top of the machine, drop it into the spine former, and that's it. There's a curvature in the spine which allows you to insert the coil much easier. One of the features on the CC2700 coil binding system is the adjustable rollers. You're allowed to adjust the rollers to 3 different positions depending upon the thickness of the booklet that you're binding. You may need to have the rollers in the tightest position, which would accommodate 6 to 8 millimeter, possibly 10 millimeter coils. And as you get to larger coils, you need to open the rollers up. There's a little pouch on the side of the binding system where the crimpers are stored. And one of the problems with crimpers being a small tool is that they get misplaced, and when you're binding, it's the last thing you want to do is look around for the crimpers and have to delay the job. Space is always an issue in a binding environment. Having a modular system like the CC2700 is a great advantage. If one person is binding, they can stack the units. If 2 people are working side by side, it's very easy to lift the machine up, position it, and allow yourself plenty of working space for 2 people. Every print job we do in our printing department is needed on a timely basis. We can't afford to have any equipment break down on us. When it needs service, we need the service people to show up immediately. We need reliable equipment, and we need the most efficient equipment that's out on the market. It's some of the best equipment that we've seen out there. We've used it for a long time, and GBC has been there for us.